Hello, good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, sineparate ko na po yung travel channel ko dito sa aking mga opinions channel. Kasi nagkakahalo-halo na po. So, our topic for today ay walang iba kundi yung pinaka-controversial ngayon sa South Korea, yung Kim Se-ron at saka si Kim So-hyun scandal. So, I just want you guys to think na kunyari, isa tayong jury sa isang courtroom. So, mag-i-establish muna tayo ng pagkatao ni Kim Se-ron at saka ni Kim So-yeon. So, let's start with Kim Se-ron. Si Kim Se-ron, nag-umpisa po siya bilang child actress. So, she was born on July 31st, 2020. At dito po sa Wikipedia, na alam naman natin na pwedeng baguhin ng kahit sinong tao, 2001 daw po siya. So, ibig sabihin nun, newborn. Nagtatrabaho na po siya bilang model. So, hindi naman newborn, pero 1-year-old. And you know naman, Korea is a suicide capital of the world. Hindi po galing sa akin yan. Kaya ko pong patunayan yan. Maghahanap tayo ng mga evidences. Pero it was well known that it's a suicide capital of the world, plastic surgery capital of the world, at ngayon, isa siya sa mga top fake news producing countries in the world. Okay, so 2001 po daw siya nag-model. And then 2009, nag-transition siya sa acting. Minor po dito si Kim Se-ron, pero ang kanyang manager is yung mother niya. Hindi po siya sumikat not until doon sa pelikula nila, He Won't Be a Man from Nowhere, na it was the highest grossing South Korean movie in 2010. Okay. So, moving forward, eto nakalagay dito, binalita ito ng GMA, ng South China Post, and then kalat po kasi yung balita ito doon sa South Korea. It was reported by Ji-won Chong ng I think South China Morning Post, July 7, 2022. Ang nakalagay dito is Kim Se-ron cancelled. So, nandito yung mga controversies, babasahin natin, iisa-isahin natin yung mga controversies at saka yung mga scandals na ikinaharap ni Kim Se-ron. Okay. Yung unang-unang scandal niya is yung alcohol controversy. Nakalagay dito, noong 2014, when the actress was only 13 years old, nakitaan siya ng picture. Ito po yung picture niya. Nakitaan siya ng picture na kung saan nag-hangout siya kasama po yung mga kabarkada niya. And doon po sa table, merong wine. And I believe meron po itong sigarilyo din. Nakalaunan, diniday naman ni Kim Se-ron kasi sabi niya, ma-attend lang daw po siya sa party. Nakalagay dito, 2014, when the actress was only 13 years old, a photo Kim hanging out with some friends was uploaded to an online forum. The problem, the snap apparently showed a bottle of wine, while another photo also contained cigarettes. Naturally, people were critical because she was still a minor. She later explained that she had just attended a family party with some friends and didn't engage in any drinking or smoking, sabi ng KB Zoom. So that's one controversy niya. But you all know naman, sa South Korea, kahit na hindi pa napapatunayan ang kasalanan mo, kinakancel ka na. So talagang culture talaga nila ang mag-cancel. And then the next one was regifting of fan gifts. Okay, ito po yun. So, ito siya. So, this was, I believe, in 2018. Okay. So, although closing fan website is common, alam mo naman may mga nag-aaway-away na. This was one special case ridden in speculation. Announced the closure, the founder said that they hoped the actress wouldn't take gifts from fans. So, ibig sabihin nun, kumukuha siya ng gifts galing sa fans niya at niririgalo din daw niya ulit. And then, I hope in 2018, you are the Kim Seron loved by even more people. So, ano pong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin po ba, before 2018, may mga controversy na ba talaga si Kim Seron? So, alamin natin. Okay, while the announcement wasn't aggressive, people started to wonder if the actress had regifted. Although there was no concrete, wala naman palang ebidensya, fans were so disappointed they imagined the page founder had been wrong. So ayun na nga po, wala naman palang ebidensya pero nakalagay na po yan dito sa balita. And then the third one was Mr. M controversy. So ito, Kim Seron was originally supposed to lead the current hit drama Dear M and was even confirmed for the cast list back in 2020. The gig didn't come out through, though her agency announced she had left the lineup due to a difference in opinion. So allegedly, the conflict occurred because the production team listed her name in the cast list after her two co-stars, Park Hye-soo and Jae-hoon. So, dito po sa listahan, at ang unang-una nag-debut is Kim Seron since she debuted at 1 year old. So, parang nagkaroon siya ng attitude dahil bakit nauna sa kanya yung dalawang co-star niya na mas nahuli pang nag-debut sa kanya. So, ganun po yung controversy nun. Sabi naman ng mga fans, since she was the most experienced, dapat siya yung nasa unang-unang listahan. Ito nakalagay. Though her agency and the Dear M production team denied this and said Seron left for other reasons, many were unimpressed with her supposed haughty attitude. Okay, number 4. The swearing incident. So, meron kasi doon na variety show. Hindi ko na alam kung nasa YouTube pa po ito. Variety show na kung saan nagmura po si Kim Seron sa national TV. Ito nakalagay, while it's not a taboo to swear in most English-speaking countries, nowadays using foul language in Korea is considered extremely rude. Bawal po kasi talaga magmura daw sa TV ang mga South Koreans, especially ito ay minor. When celebrities are caught swearing, the response is typically overwhelming negative. Despite this, when Kim was filmed swearing on show in 2020 because of her struggle to catch a fish, her castmates and viewers all found it funny and even relatable. So, doon sa mga castmates niya, feeling nila nakakatawa ito. Pero doon sa mga nakapanood, doon sa variety show na yon, si Kim Seron once again na-judge. So, and then, however, this response quickly changed after her drink driving incident. Yung mga netizen criticize siya for swearing and sinabihan siya na to re-evaluate her career. And then, yung number 5, ito po. Ayan. Yung drunk driving incident ni Kim Seron na kung saan unang-una, dininay niya. Pero kitang-kita po sa camera na siya talaga ang nakabangga doon sa poste at she fled the scene. Okay. And now, the controversy that has reset Kim's career once again. So, ibig sabihin po nito, before pa mag-DUI si Kim Seron, ang dami-dami na po ng controversy. At public scrutiny din po siya, binubuli na po siya ng netizens noon. Yung mga magazines natin, not magazines, yung mga publications such as yung gusto natin basahin, yung All K-pop, Korea Boo, KBSU, Pano Chowa, kasi dun lang naman tayo nakakakuha ng mga Korean news at sometimes tinatanggap na lang natin kasi hindi naman talaga tayo marunong magbasa ng Korea. So, ayan na. Drink driving is a serious issue. Ang DUI po ay considered na a criminal case sa South Korea. If a celebrity gets caught in driving, it can destroy the entire career. Kasi po, maaaring makapatay po ang kung sino mang gumawa ng DUI. So, idols have been dropped out of groups because of these scandals. it is obvious Kim's career has taken its harder hit. So, yun. So, ang nangyari po dito, since during that time, so dininay po niya yung drunk driving niya, pero yung blood alcohol level niya is 0.2%. Na-revoke po ang kanyang license. So, that was it. And after a year po, according to the dispatch, nahuli po si Kim Seron na naglalaro ng poker. So, that was the reason why she is being bullied by the Kinets. And then, though hindi natin alam yung dating history niya, na naglalabasan, so 2024, when she posted a photo of her and Kim Seon during, I believe, Queen of Tears production. So, tinanggal niya. Marami nagsasabi na hindi naman talaga siya nag-post nun. Ang dami nagsasabi na pinost niya to cry for help. So, hindi talaga natin alam kung bakit niya pinost yon, in which dininay po ni Kim Seon. So, the reason why he denied, according to Kim Seon, was because of the production na he has to protect people from his production team, and also para protection na rin kay Kim Seon yun, considering all these accusations, scandals, and controversy of Kim Seon. Sino bang pas paniniwalaan ng K-Nets? Kasi dun lamang po sa pag-post ng picture, ang dami-dami nang nag-bash sa kanya. That was the reason why tinanggal niya. And then, okay. So, after that, so Kim Seon also dated, according to the website na nababasa natin, like Naver, or yun nga, all K-pop yung mga tabloids na yun, she also dated like actors, aside from Kim Seon, idols, meron din nakalagay doon na athletes, and recently nga na nag-asawa siya, na ni-reveal ni Lee Jin-ho na walang naniwala until he provided a marriage certificate, at nag-provided po ng marriage certificate yung GSI Institute. So, yun po yung mga controversy ni Kim Seon even before the accident. And yun lamang po. Have a good day.